Hey, what's up guys? We're going to do some tech shopping today. We're in the middle of Sham Shui Po. I'm gonna get some breakfast, and then after that we're gonna check out a wireless keypad. And what else? We have the toast here. We have the noodles and the beef. We're gonna give it a try. Let's check it out. It's really good. Let's check out the toast. Not bad. 40 bucks. Real cheap. So I'm going to finish food. I'm going to do some tech shopping in Sham Shui Po, Hong Kong. Yeah, so we had breakfast outside this place here. Beef noodles, toast, and a coffee. Perfect. Yeah, so I'm full. Let's do some tech shopping in Sham Shui Po. Let's go. Alright, so what we're after today? We're after a wireless keypad. So I need one of them for my streaming setup. I'm really after a 4K monitor. I mean, the selection is unbelievable. All of the different types you can get. But yeah, I really fancy the LG one, the ultra wide. But it is pricey though. Ultra wide 4K monitor. Damn. Very nice though. This is something new from Cooler Master. It's the Cooler Master, the key column, the Master G100M cooler. So interesting. We're gonna get one of these samples and have it tested in our labs. So yeah, Raymond, we need one of those, okay? So we're at Centerfield in Sham Shui Po, and this is the first ever live demonstration, you can call it that, of a Bitcoin mining setup. So you got this rig here, check it out. We have 3 of the Radeon graphics cards here, okay, and then you have the motherboard all plugged up. Yeah, Bitcoin mining setup in a shop. So it's not bad. You don't see many of them in a shop. Well, that's something interesting. I'm interested in. It's the ASRock Z370 Mini-ITX. That's something I'm interested in. Not bad price actually, 1,600 Hong Kong dollars. So check it out. And we also have check this monitor out. This is the Samsung 49-inch super wide. Check it out. What's huge? Anyway, I got myself the wireless keypad. I needed one of these for my OBS streaming, so I can actually program the keypads and carry that on the desktop, and then switch over different screens on different camera views. So yeah, not bad. I got this for $9 US. Bargain. Alright, so I've also got myself something interesting. It's a wireless charging unit. Some of the new phones has this capability, but I want to put this into an iPhone. So iPhone do not have a wireless charging capability, but by purchasing one of these, yes, it's a wireless charging pad contact, and it's got an iPhone connector at the top right here. And so I'm going to put that on my old iPhone, and this then I'm going to put around a case, so a phone case, so it won't fall off. And then I have this wireless charger unit. This thing is cheap, $10 US. So with this plugged in, and then also with this, I'll be able to charge an iPhone. This is cheap. This is like $5. So in total price there, I paid 15 bucks, and that'll give me wireless charging capabilities on my iPhone. So we'll give it a test. So we've done our shopping, and this is what we bought. Said this is the donut wireless charger, okay, and then we have the wireless charging pad, which you need to hook up to your iPhone. And then we also have the mini numeric keypad wireless. So again, this is what I need for the OBS wireless kind of switch screen. So you can switch different camera views. So this would be very good. So I can place this on the table and then have it, switch between cameras while we stream, do some live streaming. All right, so let's give it a test. Let's give it a go. Let's give it this a wireless charging unit a hands-on. So we have the wireless charging pad. This thing here costs around about, not much, $5 US. Then we have the wireless charging pad unit there. This is the donut wireless charger. So this one costs around about $10 US. We also have a power bank, and we're gonna mount this to the phone to the charger, and then obviously the charger has the power bank, so the power bank will power that. Obviously, if you're home, you just need to plug that into your USB wall charger and so on. So that's the items what we have, so we're gonna give that a go. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna take this apart, see what's inside. Alright. Interesting. Instruction manual is a piece of card. That is about it. Then you have the donut-shaped wireless charging unit there, and also the USB cable. This M1 disc. Oh, okay. So looks very much like some Apple packaging where they have the paper cardboard as the charging unit. Interesting. Okay. So USB cable. Oh, it's very long. This one probably. Oh wow, 1.5 meters. Okay, cool. The back here says here it's the Baseus donut wireless charger, 5 volts, 2 amps. I'm gonna plug this into the power bank. So the power bank, in it goes, and we'll press the button. See the LEDs there. I'm using the portable power bank to charge this up. But obviously, you could just plug that into your wall socket or your USB laptop or anything that has USB power. So this is your wireless charger. Right, so this is the most interesting part. So this is the wireless charging pad you'll need to mount onto your phone. You just actually mount this at the back of the phone, and obviously if you have a phone case, that will enclose the whole thing together. So let's give it a go. Alright, so I have the iPhone here, and you can see I have iPhone case. iPhone case, and the pad, I guess it's on there. That's it. And then, anyway, let's give it a go. This is the wireless charging pad. Cheap. It costs around about $5. This one is a wireless charging receiver for the iPhone. Input 5 volts, output 5 volts with 1 amps. So you can see there's a little iPhone connector there. And I'm going to plug that straight into here. And then you can see how it's got a U-shaped kind of, yeah. So now the pad sits at the back like that. And then you get the phone case and you just slap it in, and that is pretty much it. So the wireless charging receiver pad is right here underneath the phone case, or hidden behind the phone case, and it doesn't add any real thickness to it, so it's pretty cool. And as you see at the bottom of the connector is the actual the connector, so you can't actually fit or use anything to plug into the iPhone socket there anymore, because that's occupied by the wireless charging pad. And let's give it a go, shall we? So come here, I want to show you how it works. Alright, so I've powered the power bank. You can see there's LEDs powered up there, and that's powering up the wireless charger. All I need to do now, if I'm pretty sure, is put this on top, and there you go. and it's you can see it's actually charging right there. Alright, so let's do it again. Cool. And it's been charged right there. So all of this wireless charging for the iPhone, 15 bucks. Can't go wrong with that. So what we have right now, we've added a wireless charging capability on our iPhone for $15 US. Can't go wrong on that. I think that's pretty cool. If you've got an old iPhone that you want to use this wireless charging system, I'm not sure if it works on the iPhone 8 or iPhone X, but definitely works on the 6 and 6 Plus. So yeah, why not? So plug that in, $5, and then 10 bucks for the wireless charging system. So 15 bucks. You now have a wireless charging capability for your iPhone. Pretty cool, huh? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is Winston for Funkykit.com.